put your blocks in your wagon too? You want to pick up your blocks and put them in your wagon? Whoop, careful. Where'd it go? I don't know. Where'd it go? In there? Can you get it? Reach back behind there. What? Hi, buddy. Yeah, you're in your closet. Oh, really? Okay. Shall I turn the camera off and play with you instead of doing this? What?